Stock number 40400B. It's a 2021 BMW Z4. You can see it's got front end damage. The hood is locked, stuck shut. I can't get it open. The driver's steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver's seat belt's locked. It does have a key, but it does not start. You can see the bumper's no good. The back trunk's no good. The taillight's broke. You see, because all that damage right here. Quarter panel's no good. This door's no good. Fender's not there. Driver knee, the driver's seat, the steering wheel, all the airbags are deployed. Again, this is stock number 40400B. It's a 2021 BMW Z4.